everyone, I'm Andrea, a doctor of physical therapy, and today I'll be showing you how to correctly assemble your PELEGON toilet safety rail. What is great about this product is that no tools are needed to assemble it, other than a screwdriver and pieces from your package. So let's get started. Let's display all the different parts in front of us. Here is the metal plank with holes in it. Here are two padded handrails, two L-shaped bars, two smaller bars with hooks on them, three C-shaped bolts, three long hexagon bolts, and three star-shaped nuts. Notice you'll need only two of each of the three types of nuts and bolts. We added one extra just in case. If any parts are missing or damaged, don't hesitate to contact us at PELEGON Customer Support. So let's begin. First, take the padded handrail, look for the B1 sticker, and align it with the C1 sticker on the L-shaped bar. Do the same with the other half, with the B2 and C2 stickers. Once in place, use the hexagon-shaped bolt and push it through the hole as so. Make sure that the holes are exactly aligned. Next, attach the star-shaped nut as so to fasten them together. Do this on both sides. Now, take the two hooks and connect them to the handrails using the C-shaped bolts and click them all the way through. Once the two handrails are assembled, just attach them to the metal plank. Until you hear the snap. Remember, you can adjust the width of the handrail to your needs. Now, you'll need to remove your original seat, but keep the nuts and bolts because we'll be reattaching them. Once the seat is removed, place the assembled rail and reattach the base using the original bolts and nuts. Make sure you place the two hooks of the armrest in a secure position. One last thing, for useful tips on the proper way to use PELEGON safety rail, check out how to use video at the link below or at pelegon.com. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye for now.